In this video, we will see how to use the REHAU Dynamo Script to assign the article numbers to the pipes which have been already drawn, and how to estimate the required numbers of the individual pipe parts. In order to be able to use the REHAU Dynamo Script, you must use either the REHAU template or the copying method, which I have already described in a previous video named RAUPIANO plus Copying Pipe Types. Under Manage tab, click on Dynamo Player to open the player interface. Select the folder where the Dynamo script is and click on OK. The player will be filled with the script from this folder. Make sure that all of these files are always in the same folder. Otherwise, the Dynamo player will not work. Click on Edit Inputs. Choose whether are you using the English or German Revit interface. For English, select 1, and for German, select 2. Look for the Pipes category for English version users, or Rohre category for German ones. Choose the wished single pipe length for each diameter. Click on Run Script. After running the script, you can notice that material numbers have been assigned to all pre-drawn pipes, and that the selected individual pipe length is also assigned. You can also find an estimated number of the required pipe segments in the predefined REHAU pipe schedule. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.